Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bonk. EO. This exciting physics-based game challenges you to outmaneuver and outwit your opponents. You'll control a simple circular character, aiming to push other players off the map or achieve specific goals within various game modes. It's a fast-paced, action-packed experience that's easy to learn but offers deep strategic possibilities. Get ready to master your momentum and dominate the arena. Mastering your movement is key in Bonk. EO. You'll use the arrow keys or WASD to navigate your character across the map, moving left and right with precision. To gain an advantage, press X or the Shift key to make your character heavy. This increases your mass, allowing you to push opponents more effectively and resist being pushed yourself. For quick maneuvers, hold Z or the Control key to perform a dash, perfect for sudden attacks or escaping danger. Practice these controls to become a true Bonk. EO Master. Bonk. EO offers a variety of engaging game modes to keep the action fresh. In the popular Classic mode, your primary objective is simple: be the last player remaining by knocking everyone else off the platform. For a team-based challenge, try Soccer mode, where two teams compete to push a large ball into their opponent's goal. Beyond these, the game boasts thousands of custom maps, each with unique rules and objectives designed by the community, ensuring endless replayability and new challenges to discover. There's always something new to try. To truly excel in Bonk. EO, consider these advanced strategies. Effectively using the heavy mechanic is crucial. Press X or Shift to anchor yourself against pushes or to deliver a devastating blow to an opponent. Combine your dash with jumps to execute surprising aerial attacks or to recover from being knocked off the edge. Always observe your opponent's movements and anticipate their next move. This foresight allows you to position yourself for a counterattack or a defensive block. With practice, these tactics will elevate your gameplay to new heights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.